The tea production process is fascinating, with many different measures taken to obtain the final, high-quality product. Harvesting fresh young shoots from mature tea bushes is known as plucking. Each pluck picks only 2 tender leaves and a bud. Within 7 to 10 days, the bushes grow new shoots. In Ceylon's temperate climate, tea is a perennial crop. After it is plucked, the tea is sent to the factory to be weighed. And it is then sent for withering. A sample of 100 grams is weighed to measure its quality. The grades of the sample vary, from the best grade, containing the 2 leaves and bud, and below best, containing torn and discolored leaves, to poor grade, containing matured leaves with twigs. If at least 60% of a batch consists of the best grade, then it is ready for production as high-quality tea. Withering is the most critical process in tea manufacturing. When the leaves are plucked from the bushes, the moisture content is about 75%. And this is reduced to approximately 45% by the withering process. First, the fresh leaf is spread out on withering troughs about a foot deep, and a flow of cool air helps reduce moisture. This process can last from 8 to 18 hours, depending on weather conditions. Significant chemical changes occur during withering. The cell membrane permeability is increased, allowing for a disruption of cell structure. These enzymatic changes are ultimately responsible for the production of various biochemicals desired for achieving quality parameters. Once the process is complete, the withered tea leaves are weighed and sent for rolling. The purpose of rolling is to achieve the final curved appearance and to break the leaf cell walls so as to release essential oils to start a chemical reaction of fermentation. The rolling of the withered leaf was perfected over centuries, a process which brought out the depth of flavors in the tea. The tea leaf is rolled several times. The first roll, known as the preconditioning roll, is very gentle. Its aim is to cover the twisted particles with the juices from the leaf. The rolling process is what releases the color, strength, aroma, and the taste of the liquid we ultimately pour into our cups. After the rolling stage, the leaves are kept for fermentation, where the green leaf is converted into black tea. Although this is referred to as fermentation, it became recognized as oxidation, a process initiated by the tea enzymes. The fermented leaves are then sent for drying to stop any further chemical reactions taking place. During this process, hot air is passed over the leaves to deactivate fermenting enzymes. Drying also reduces the moisture level of the rolled and fermented leaves from 45 to 50% to 2 to 3%. This is critical as incomplete inactivation can cause accelerated deterioration of quality. Cleaning is very important in tea manufacturing. Many tea factories have common types of cleaning machines, from the fiber extractor and winnower to the color sorter. The dried tea is sifted into different grades by passing it over a series of vibrating screens of different mesh sizes. These trap the stalks and fiber to remove them from the tea. There are several grades of tea, such as leaf grades, broken grades, fannings and dust grades. Green leaf from a single plantation is converted to various grades of tea in a common manufacturing process. Black tea, green tea, and white tea are the three main grades made in Sri Lanka. Ceylon Black Tea is one of the country's specialties. It has a crisp aroma, reminiscent of citrus. This is used both unmixed and in blends. It is grown on numerous estates which vary in altitude and taste. Black tea is subgraded into categories like broken orange pekoe, coded as BOP, orange pekoe or OP, and flowery broken orange pekoe fanning, which is FBOPF, and so on.